So far, we've exported our Google Ads campaign to a CSV file and used Python with OpenAI's API to automatically translate the campaign into another language. Now it's time for the final step, uploading the translated campaign back into our Google Ads account using Google Ads Editor. So first, we're going to open up Google Ads Editor. Make sure you're signed in. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I'll leave a link in the description below. Once you're in, you want to select the account where you want to upload the translated campaign. So right here. And next, we want to go to the account menu, click import, and then from file. And then we're going to select our translated campaign CSV. Click finish and review changes. And Google Ads Editor, it'll now show you a preview of the imported changes. You want to look through everything to make sure everything's correct, especially, the language targeting, bid strategy, budget, location settings, headlines, etc. And then if everything looks good, you're going to click Keep All. Okay? And then finally, once your translated campaign is now successfully imported, going to click Post to upload the changes to your live Google Ads account, and that's it. Your translated campaign will now be ready to go live. So, clicking this and then click Post. Right now it's uploading it. Okay, awesome. All right, now to check on our Google Ads account, we now see that the Marketing to HVAC campaign is live within our Google Ads account. So that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Google Ads tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want me to cover another topic in Google Ads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.